Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to discuss about selecting elements by tag name. So we will only select the tags that we want. So let's say we want to select the paragraphs. So we will only select the paragraphs which are in this document in this file. If you want to select the h1 tags, then we will only select the h1 tags of this file. So we select the tags by the tag name. So let's start. So let's say my elements is equal to document dot get element by and tag name. We will use this. We will select the element by the tag name. So the tag name is, let's say we want to select the paragraphs. So we will write here P. So we will select the paragraph. And now if I console.log it, so console.log and P and my elements, and now you can see the paragraph. So now we have only one paragraph. That's why we have selected only one paragraph. So now let's say if I copy and paste it a few times, then it will select all of those paragraphs. So 5 paragraphs. Now if I put some other tags, let's say h1 tag here. So h1, and let me write something here. So my h1 is here, and now let's put it here. So let's write here h2. So my h2 is here. Now it will only select the paragraphs and not the h1s and h. So now let's say I want to loop through it. So for element of my elements, and now console.log it. So element, and now you can see each individual paragraph here. So these ones. Now let's say I want to modify each element. So let's say element dot append ABC. So we will append ABC at the end of it. If we want to add some color to it, so element dot style dot color is equal to, let's say, green. And I can see it as green. If you want to change the background color, element dot style dot background color is equal to, let's say, black. You can see it as black now. Now let's change it to yellow, and now you can see it as yellow. Then this way you can select different elements and play around with it according to your needs. And now let's say if I want to select the h1 elements of this document. So here h1, and now all of those properties are applied to the h1 because I selected the h1 text and not the paragraphs and not the h2 text. If I want to select the h2, then I can select the h2 and it will be applied to the h2 text. If I add here another h2, so another h2, You can see here another H2, and now this ABC is appended here to this H2. So now let me remove this. So when you select elements by the tag name, that means that you are selecting all of those tags in the current document. So if you select the paragraphs, all of the paragraphs will be selected. If you select H1, all of the H1s will be selected. If you select an element, that will be selected. So in this way, you can select different elements and play around with it according to your needs and requirements. So that's all for this video now, and see you in the next video.